Hello guys, welcome to Support channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a burger with onion rings and fries. It tastes so good and it's also easy to make if you follow my steps. But before I start, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, share and like. Let's start cooking now. Okay, so you will need is meat and you will need onion. You will cut the onion small pieces. You will need is rosemary, also cut to small pieces. You only take the leaves off. You will need is garlic, also cut to small pieces. You will add salt. You add black pepper. You can add as much as you want if you want it spicy or not. And you will start to mix. So by the time we finish the meat, now we're gonna prepare the potatoes, fried potatoes. You will cut the potatoes as thin as possible and you add it to a pan full of oil. I'm gonna show you how to make the shape of the burger. You need is any shape. It has to be circular first. A cup of any. It can be as big as you want. You're gonna take the meat. You first cover it by the plastic wrap thingy. You take meat. Prepare the secret sauce, as you can see when they add it to the burger in the restaurants. So you'll need is mayonnaise. Guys, we're gonna add ketchup. We're gonna add little vinegar. You're gonna add hot sauce if this is optional. You're gonna add now black pepper. Now we're gonna give it a you get the biggest onion you have. You're gonna cut it and you get, as you can see, how big. You're gonna take the onion. For example, if there's onion inside an onion pieces, you're gonna take it out like this. Now we're gonna prepare the mixture for it. You will need is flour, baking powder, salt, 1 egg, milk, and black pepper. Now you can add as much flour as you want. We're gonna add 1 cup of flour. Baking soda, baking powder. Where's the spoon? You can add little baking powder, salt, black pepper. You're gonna now add 1 egg, and now you're gonna add the milk. You're ready to add the burger patties in a pan with hot oil. And they're gonna leave it until it's ready from underneath. Now we're gonna add the onion to the mixture that we added here. And we're gonna add it to a pan that has oil. As you can see. And when it becomes like a goldish color, you can take it out. How to prepare it? You will need is burger bread. You will take the sauce that you made and you're gonna put it on the first one, and you can spread it out. And we're gonna add it here. Now this is optional. It's jalapeno. If you want to add it or not. If you don't like spices, then don't add it. You're gonna add as much as you want. Now you're gonna add tomatoes. You're gonna add lettuce. Now you're gonna add the burger that we made. And if you wanna add cheese or no, we're not gonna add cheese. Now you're gonna cover it. And we're gonna add some fries. Guys, I'll be to the end of the video. As you can see, this meal is really tasty, and it's also easy to make, and it comes with any drink that you like. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Bye bye.